Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, copper market opened around 425.6. You can see this black color box that indicates the price opening. And what we expected yesterday was that we expected copper to continue and maintain its uptrend, having 423.6 and 422 as the major support zones, unless until we see a breakdown below 422 and a comfortable price action below 422 and a closing below 422 can only confirm a reversal in trend. Till then we expected copper to stay and maintain its uptrend, taking supports at various zones. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, initially you can see there was a drop and the market is trying to test this 423.5, and the market was quite successful in giving a pullback, and again there is a drop and the price reached 424. There was a pullback again. So you can see the market is really trying to show some uptrend. So you can very well witness this. You can see the price actions, how it's moving. It's showing a clear bounce back. So in the initial, when we see the price actions in the initial stage, we can see that there is some struggle between both the buyers and sellers, because there is an equal price movement. We cannot take this 426 very easily, because it is also a very potential resistance. As we always say, 422, 426 and 425, these are the zones which is very important for trading in copper. So these are the trend deciding zones. If you are a copper trader for years, you may know that well. So it is a long struggle between the initial trading session, but the good news is that it is staying in trend because 423.6 is providing a bit of support for the market. Now let us see what happened after that. So after the market was quite successful in breaking this pattern, you can see that there was a zigzag pattern. The market was quite successful in breaking this pattern, and the price entered 426. So this is a clear witnessing. We had clearly witnessed a good buying. So you can see without not even a single down candlestick, slowly and steadily the market entered. But since 426 is a very potential selling zone, the market ultimately it provided a good resistance for the copper market, and it founded a resistance, and again it's hitting here, find a resistance. But the market is consistently trying to break 426. So that is always a good news for us. You can see the low is increasing. After this, the low is increasing, and the market is providing a pattern formation. It is struggling to break 426. Let us see whether what happened after that. So this 426 is really providing a very good resistance. So the market is also providing a support around 424 zones also. So it is a 50-50 probability for both the buyers and sellers. The resistance, people are trying to pick the resistance, but what we can say is that the market is staying in line with the trend. As a trend follower, we can say still the market is staying in good trend. So it is possible that the copper can also move higher, because if we compare the price today's price opening, it may show that it may look as if it is a bit of neutral opening and closing around 425.6 and 425.5. But seeing the price actions, you can see the price actions. Initially there was a 50-50 probability, but you can see this is the level of very clear buying we had from here to here. So till the from 424 and 426, though it is a low volatile market yesterday, but we saw a clear price actions where the dropping is not to the full potential. It is taking resistance. We cannot deny the fact, and also we can accept that the market is finding a good support also. As a trend follower, we can say that copper can still maintain its uptrend, having a good support around the same zone which we had picked earlier, 423.5 and 422. And today's expected price opening is more or less going to be around the same zone, or bit higher than this 425.25. And since we are presenting this video well before the currency and also the MCX commodity market opening, the opening, our predicted opening is also subject to changes, because we are seeing the COMEX price and comparing it and with the MCX price and predicting the price opening. So rupee factor is going to play a major role. Nowadays it is playing a major role in commodity trading. Around 9 o'clock you can also follow the repeat also. So based upon the COMEX price opening, we are expecting that the copper MCX copper can open bit higher than the previous day's price closing, and if there is any breakout above 426, it can provide us a very clear confirmation, and it can also provide a momentum for the copper market. If it is going to break this 426, well, it can break 28, and it can reach 32 also. That is our target for this first target for this week. So if the trend is going to continue, so we can expect copper to break this 426 and comfortably reach 432 zones easily. But if there is any closing, and if there is a clear resistance around 426, again the market will be pushed within the zone of 423.5 and 422. Then it is always going to be a bit of struggle for buyers, but till then we are not going to go for selling. So there will be some struggle again within this zone. So we should be very careful whenever the market is consolidating, like what happened yesterday. You can see it is a consolidation market, but it's staying in line with the trend. Consolidation market always provides you two things. It will test your patience, it will test your skills, but at the end of the day, it is the type of zones which can provide us a good profit also. So let us see what's going to happen during your trading session, and thanks a lot for watching all our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.